Yeah, the 11th one it's given here. Yes. First term A is A1, which is A here. And the second term A2, it is A square, correct. And then A3, A cube, is it? And A4 it is given. A4 is given. A power 4, is it? So if we definitely you can see it's the product we are getting, isn't it? So which is no, will not get that A2 minus A1. If we take A2 minus A1 will remain A square minus A. We cannot subtract from A square, is it? Yeah, the same way we can say A3 minus A2 will remain what? A cube minus A square. Both are not equal. The same way here A4 minus A3, you will get A power 4 minus A power 4 minus A power 3. Is it? So if we take A common out, even then you can see A minus 1 it's coming. And here A we take out A square minus A will come. Correct? A square if we can take here, we will get A minus, yeah, cleaning that one. We can write A minus 1 it is here. Is it? A minus 1. Then the same A cube if we taken out here also you will get A minus 1. A1 minus 1 it is, yeah, the same, but a square, a cube is going, is it? So that means these are not equal, is it? A2 minus A1 not equal to A3 minus A2 not equal to, so on going on. Therefore, it is not a not an AP. Clear? Let us take this one. Which one? The 12th one. Look here. Root 2, root 8. So we can take it. 12th one. Yes. A is given here root 2. Yeah, A2, A1. A2 is given here root 8. Can be written as 2 root 2. Is it? 2 into 2. Yeah, we can write this root 8 as, yeah, under root 4 into 2. Correct? Under root 4 become 2. So 2 will come out. 2 root 2 will remain. So the same way here. A3 can be written as under root 18. Can be written as, yeah, root 3 9 into 2. Is it? That become 3 root 2. Understood? The same way we can write A4. A4 which is given here under root 32. So can be written as under root 16 into 2. 16 under root 16 become 4 root 2. Now if we check this one, A2 minus A1, excuse me, A2 minus A1, you will get 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. How much? 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2? Root 2. A3 minus A2. We are getting A3 is 3 root 2. What I written it is 3. This one is it. The first one I wrote it is, yeah, 2 root 2. Yeah, this should be correct. Now this become 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2. We are getting again root 2. The same way here A4 minus A3. We are getting 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2. Getting root 2. So therefore what we can say, it is an AP, right? An AP with A is equal to root 2 and D is also equal to root 2. Yeah, complete this.